Stephen Hall. I'm the Cookery Kitchen Management Trainer for Shafston International College here on the Gold Coast. Had my own restaurant in Melbourne 20-something years ago and moved up to Brisbane in 2002 and opened a cafe in the Bayside suburb of Wynnum. At our Gold Coast campus kitchen, we have 2 kitchens that can operate simultaneously, accommodating 12 students. And we have a huge range of equipment available to those students at any given time, including several char grillers, several combi ovens, several gas ranges, several salamanders, and several deep fries in this kitchen. Some competitors will have just one of those in a kitchen. We're different than that. We like to think of ourselves being not your average training college at Shafston. So that's just one example. And as well as that, the size of the kitchen is just huge in comparison. We also have a fully operating business at the front, so our students have exposure to those different jobs available to them. So at Shafston International College, we have kitchen management, which is where we do the training for this qualification. The main units that we focus on out of the 33 is patisserie, soup stocks and sauces, poultry, meat dishes, contemporary style recipes that we use and incorporate. At Shafston, we focus on the students, getting them ready for the workforce. So our recipes reflect the industry, being contemporary and up-to-date recipes, where we can enable students to hit the ground running when they go to employment. We find this is very important for our model at Shafston. Welcome to Shafston. Study and make friends.